Zoe, do you see any Thomas trains? No, I'm not funding any. Let's keep driving. Holy guacamole in my pants! What is it, Enzo? I see him! Look at that! It's the ancient army of Lost Thomas! Hey, yo, Cass, can you turn the light? Alright, I got it. Oh, there we go. We got the lights on. Hey, yo, Zoe. Holy crap, we found the Lost Thomas trains!
I know! It's so amazing!
Alright, why don't we review them one by one here? Alright, we got the first one. Here's a green bean. Yeah, I think his name's Diesel. You know, Diesel, that big, tall guy. See him? This guy even seems big and tall, right? It has to be Diesel. Zoe, where'd he go? Where'd he go, Zoe?
I got Thomas!
Oh my god, he got Thomas. Alright.
You suck!
Alright.
You're so amazing!
Alright, yeah. Alright. Now we got Thomas. Oh, no, red dude. Alright, yeah, cool. Red dude. Now, out of here. Thomas, he's the star of this show. Right, Enzo?
Yes.
Alright, yeah. He got a face, you can't teach that. He got some red stripes, you can't teach that. He got some pull in his butt, you can't teach that. But look what we got over here. Oh, the yellow train. What's your name?
I'm not
What does that say? What does that say?
Bill.
Bill. I have an uncle, Bill. Yeah. Moving on. Oh, it's Diesel again. Wait, is his name marked in something? No, Diesel. No. Alright, next.
Let me see what's his name.
What's his name?
Larry.
Oh, yeah, Larry. Larry.
Next up we have Rocket.
Rocket.
He's an interesting one.
Oh, yeah. He looks like 10. You look a day over 100. Yeah, I am day over 100.
Next up we have Freddy.
Freddy.
Yeah, it's from Freddy Fazbear. It's totally not from Freddy Fazbear.
Yeah.
Video
Oh.
last yesterday.
Oh.
Hey, I'm Harvey. Steve Harvey.
Steve Harvey. Steve Harvey. Family Feud.
And next up we have Posey, Thomas's best friend.
You want to play train set?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we forgot to come down here. Hold up.
Hey,
don't
Ozo.
end up here yet. We
Yeah.
got, don't stop yet. We got Gordon.
Gordon.
Next we got
Edwards.
No,
Ooh. When you push it forward, his lights turns on.
and another Gordon, but it's a little bit lighter.
Oh, interesting. Peace.
We got another Larry,
Oh, no, Larry.
and then we got James.
James Ellsworth.
And now it's time to play with trains.
Let's play trains.
I call Thomas!
Okay, Larry's train.
Wait, hold up. We don't have train cards.
I have a better idea. Here, I have an idea for a train car. Come on. Get in the car, Enzo.
I found Roman Reigns.
Oh, Roman Reigns. Put him up. No, Roman. No.
Oh.
Put him up. This video's over.